Hi guys, Rui here, and I'm back with an alternative method for you to install Google mobile services on your Huawei or on your Honor phones. I'll tell you all about it in a few seconds, but first let me speak to my Portuguese-speaking followers para vos explicar novamente que estou de volta aos vídeos em inglês, porque entretanto saiu um método diferente, alternativo em relação àquele que está neste momento a funcionar. A verdade é que muita gente mesmo assim se queixou que o método que está a funcionar está-lhes a dar erros. Este é uma forma diferente de lá chegar, de instalar os serviços móveis da Google nos telemóveis da Huawei e da Honor. Bom, é só para quem não se safou à primeira com o tal método anterior, agora tenta este novo método a ver se tem mais sorte, é só isto. E portanto resolvi fazer em inglês. Se for o caso de estar com problemas no seu Huawei e se quiser seguir este método para instalar os serviços móveis da Google, bom, pode fazê-lo mesmo em português. No vídeo eu vou falar em inglês, mas o que se passa é que vou pôr legendas em português. Talvez não estejam logo disponíveis imediatamente, mas pouco depois eu tratarei de as pôr a funcionar. E então penso que dá perfeitamente para seguir o vídeo através das legendas, ok? Basicamente é isto. Vou voltar aos camões e vou-lhe explicar como é que se faz em inglês. Já sabe, ative as legendas aqui em baixo. Okay guys, back to you, and let me start by saying that your phone must be in English through all of this procedure, okay? At the end, you can set it back to whatever language you speak, but through this method, it must be in English. It's just my experience. It's better that it's in English, okay? Results are better if the phone is in English. The second thing I want to tell you about is that on this method I'll be using a USB Type-C adapter and a USB pen drive, okay? At the description of this video you'll find two files. Those two files you must download and copy them directly without extraction to the root of this, yours USB pen drive, okay? From there, I guess you're all set. Again, please bear in mind that maybe at the end you'll see notification errors. If you do, you have to be patient and start not from the beginning, not from right now, but from a point on the future of this video. I'll tell you all about it during the video, so there's no worries there. But please, if it does go bad at the first try, at the second, at the third, at the fifth, you have to retry. Don't ask me what to do, and don't ask me if this method still works, because if it doesn't, I'll post it on the description of this video. If there's a better version of this method, I'll post it on the description of this video. Until I do that, this method works, okay? This method works. If at the fifth time you still cannot get it to work, I guess you can reset the phone, which means start with nothing on it and restart from there. So from the beginning of this video. But I wouldn't do that unless it was my, fifth try, okay? Please be patient. Please understand that maybe only tomorrow or next weekend you can do this. This might take a while. Even though it seems that it's nice and smooth on my phone, on your phone, it might not be as simple. So, chill and, do it with time and ease. Keep calm during the whole process, because it can get, for some people, I've seen it happen to me, it can get quite frustrating, okay? Quite frustrating, really. So, I'm off to my phone. The rest of the video will be on the phone, and I'll come back at the end just to see if you guys are doing all right, okay? Bye-bye. Good luck. All right, so the first thing we must do is go to Settings. And from there, find Apps. Tap on Apps at the top again and tap OK there and type back, okay? Tap on the three dots and show system processes. And there it is, it's the backup. Tap on it, force it to stop again, and uninstall. Alright, we're cool here. Now is the time that we attach our USB Type-C pen drive to the phone. Now we are going into the Files app. We're tapping over here, Categories, USB drive, and at the bottom are the two files that you've just downloaded. First, we must extract them. Let's start with the first one. So tap on it for a second, go to More, and then Extract to Current Directory. Okay, cool. That one is done. Tap on USB drive. Again, go to the bottom, and next we are going to extract this Huawei.zip. Tap on it for a second or two, tap on More, Extract to Current Directory. So it's more or less like the first one, but here, what we are going to do now is tap on this folder, Huawei. We're going to tap Move, Other Location, USB drive, and, well, right here. Tap on Move again. Now we are going to tap on Merge, and it's done. So from here we are going into this first folder, 00 Google installation. Tap on it, tap on the next one, and you'll find this file, 00 Huawei backup. I want you to tap on it, tap on Don't Ask Me Again, allow, and install. It will come up with an error. That's the exclamation mark over there. But don't worry, the truth is it has installed. It says failed to install, but it has installed. Tap on Done and send this away. Now go to Settings, and at the bottom, System and Updates. Backup and Restore, tap on it. Data Backup, Next, and this is the proof that it was installed. Agree. External storage, USB storage, and there it is, the backup that we want to. Tap it, tap on Restore, and the password is right over there, okay? I'm going to show it to you. But also, I'm going to say it out loud. Isto, ESTA, LIGADO, which is the name of my YouTube channel, 20, okay? Isto, ESTA, LIGADO, 2020. Please do not ask me for the password. It's right there. Okay. And the restore is complete. What that means is that the LZ Play app is here. Okay, this is an important app, and what we are going to do is open it. We're going to tap here, activate, allow, and next we are going to activate that blue button, but there will be an error. And I want it to be an error so that I can show this to you, because a lot of people ask me. That's the error. It means something like you don't have your Wi-Fi on, or you're not connected to the internet. And well, in my case, both are true. So tap on OK, and please be sure that you have the Wi-Fi on and the device is connected. Okay? That's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, now that the Wi-Fi is on, I'm going to tap this button and there will not be an error. Okay, so activate the app, and next we are going into Files while the app is open, and we are going to install files from 1 to 6, okay? Tap on them, tap on Install. Done. The second one, install, and done. The third one, install, done. The fourth, install, done. Fifth, install, done. And the sixth and last one for now, done. Okay, close everything. And what we are going to do now is something that is different from the other method that is still working and that you might have seen on my videos. So now we are going into Settings. At the bottom, we're going to find Users and Accounts, and we're going to add an account. We're going to tap on Google. Okay. Existing. We're going to wait a while. And guys, please remember, if you want to add more than one account to your phone, now is the time to do it. You cannot do it in a day or two. You have to do it while you are installing Google mobile services, okay? So, we're not going to do anything here. We're going to tap on these three dots. We're going to tap on Browser Sign In, unselect this, tap on OK. And here, you're going to add your Google account. This is what I'm going to do also. Okay. Of course, I won't show you this part. I'm going to type in my password. Sorry about that, but you cannot see. I just tapped on Sign In. And okay, so if you're done, just go back. And back again. And there it is. But I want to add more than one account. So what I'm going to do is add an account again, Google, existing. So this is for the people that want to add 2, 3, 4, 10 Google accounts, okay? This must be done in order to do that. Again, we're going to tap on these three dots, unselect this, okay. And we are going to add another email. Okay, now go back and back again. And if you want to check if everything went well, just tap on Google. And there they are, both. And even more if you add more. But please pay attention to this. This isn't auto on, so you have to tap on it, okay? The other one should be fine. Oh no, also. So you have to enter both of them and activate sync contacts. Otherwise they won't be synced automatically, of course. So this is done. Again, if you want to add more accounts, just tap add an account and do that procedure. Okay, let's continue. Close this. Go into Files, USB drive, 00 Google installation. Now, because it is connected to the internet, it's saying that there's a new version. Please choose later, okay? Okay, so now what we are going to do is install this file 7. Tap on it, tap on Install, and done. Now, errors. Notification errors should pop up any second now. Let's wait for them. Here is the first one. This is, as I said, this is normal. It must be like this. If they don't appear, just wait until they do. They must appear. Okay. And now there's the Play Store. And that's where we are going into right now. But first, just to have a a little bit of tranquility on this tutorial or on this guide, I'm going to tap here 2 times, okay? Please bear in mind that the notification errors will pop up, and you will see them, of course, but they just won't make that pesty sound. So tap on Play Store. Here we are. Wow, these are coming in fast. One more thing, if what you see when you enter the Play Store is not something like this, well, a functioning, although with notification errors Play Store, if there's a retry button, a green one I guess, or even a red one over here, what you have to do is restart the phone, not reset, restart, and come back to the Play Store again. The Play Store must look like this in order to proceed. Okay, so here what we are going to do is to search for device ID, the app. It's not really needed, but it's a way to get things going. Install it. Wait if you have to. It's updating support libraries. That's why it's taken so long, I guess. And there it is. Okay. So this is our number, our Google Service Framework number. We have it, we will lose it, and we will get it all over again. And hopefully it will be fine when this number comes back to the phone. So close everything. No recent apps. Now go into Settings, Apps, Apps again, type Goo, and there's this Google Play Services app. Tap on it, force it to stop, and again tap here at the bottom, force stop. Again, it must stop, it did, and uninstall. Okay, it's gone. And now we are going into our Google installation folder, USB drive, Google installation, and we are going to install this file number 8. Tap on it, tap on install, done, and notification errors came back. This is expected, okay? It should be like this. From here, go to Apps, Apps again, tap Goo, but this time we are going to tap on these 3 dots and show system processes. And all the way at the bottom there's this Google Services Framework. I want you to look at the number that's below. So 548 in my case. This varies, but I'll tell you about it just in a second. Go inside it, force it to stop, storage, clear cache, clear data, okay. Force it to stop again, and uninstall. Okay, it's gone. And now we are going into Files, USB drive, Google installation, and we are going to install this file number 9. Done. And we're back again into Settings, and that's why I just told you to look at the number, tap Goo here, 3 dots, show system processes, and now the number is, well, very different. It's 274, but this is my case. Anyway, this number of kilobytes, it should never be above, from now on, 310, well, around 310, 320. That's acceptable, but not more than that, okay? If it gets any bigger, what you have to do is, well, uninstall Google Play Services and uninstall and clear cache and clear data on Google Services Framework, and then go back to file number 8 and install it, and then install file number 9 and see if everything is going okay, if the number is still below 320. And if it is, you are doing well. If it isn't, you have to go back. So at this time, I guess, well, yeah, there is a Google Service Framework. So this number went away when we cleared cache and cleared data, but it came back already. So this is good news, for me at least. It can take a while. It can take like 5 and 10 minutes and 15 minutes. But the number is already here. So I'm going to enter the Play Store and hopefully I won't see any errors. Let me just clean this up. And hopefully I won't see any errors. And it's confirmed. There's no notification errors and the Play Store is, well, it looks like the Play Store. There isn't that retry button over here. But if this button appears over here, what you have to do is wait, okay? Just wait. You can restart the phone maybe, but wait. Okay, so Play Store is working. We have Google Service Framework number. So what we are going to do is check if everything is as expected. So go into settings, go to apps, apps again, tap on Goo. And when I say as expected, I mean tap on these 3 dots. I mean that this number again should be below 320. It still is, and the Play Store is working, and there are no Google notification errors. So when all of these factors match, I mean the Play Store is working and the Google Service Framework number is below 320 and there are no notification errors, what we must do is go into Google Play Services, force it to stop, uninstall, and close everything. From here, we are going to step into the last part. Go to Files, USB drive, Google installation, and install the last file. Tap on Install, wait a while, and hopefully notification errors won't appear. Done. I must say, I did this procedure before and sometimes they appeared, sometimes they did not. But this time everything is going smoothly, okay? But yeah, they might appear, and they might appear, well, the first try, the second try, the third try, even the 11th try. You have to be patient and, well, restart. Okay, so no notification errors. From here, what must be done is just restart the phone. Restart. Okay, it's back on. Still, everything seems fine. Let's check the Play Store. It's working without notification errors. Let's check one last time the size of that GSF. So tap here, Goo, type Goo, show system processes. It's still below 320, so it's going very, very well. I mean, it went very well because, to tell you the truth, I think we're done here. This is it. It worked. But let's imagine it didn't work. Let's imagine that we had a problem here. Let's imagine that either the number was too big or that notification errors kept popping up. So in that case, what had to be done is, well, you had to go into settings, to apps, apps again, type Goo, tap on these 3 dots, show system processes, and from here, what you have to do is go to Google Play Services, force stop and uninstall, go back, go into Google Services Framework, force stop, tap on storage, clear cache, clear data, force stop again and uninstall. Okay? From here, when that is done, what you should do is go into Files, USB drive, 00 Google installation, 00 Google installation, and repeat, install file number 8 and install file number 9. Okay? Once that is done, go and check if the Play Store is working. If the Play Store is working, again, without any kind of errors, then tap on the Play Store. If the Play Store looks like this, you're fine. If it has a retry button over here, you have to wait. Wait until it looks like this. Okay? And please do remind yourself to keep checking that number. On apps, here. This number should be below 320. Okay? Once all of that goes smoothly, I mean the Play Store is working, there are no notification errors, and the number is below 320, what you have to do is proceed. So when you proceed, what you do is go into apps, you uninstall, again, more construction work, you uninstall Google Play Services, force it to stop and uninstall, and then finally install file number 10. And hopefully at the second try it will go better. If it doesn't, just rinse and repeat. Okay? I mean, listen to me on this one. If errors keep popping up at the end, you have to repeat, not the whole procedure, just from here. Uninstall those two files and start from number 8. Okay? I guess that's almost it. Now, let's see if the Play Store is really working, because we didn't check that out. I'm going to search for YouTube and install. Okay, it is installing. From here on, there shouldn't be any type of error, any kind of error. I'm going to open it, and there you go. It's working. So, okay, and before you ask, once everything is done, things like device ID, you can uninstall them. Okay. The LZ Play app, this G purple icon, I prefer to do it another way. Go into settings, go into apps, apps again, and all the way at the bottom, there it is. Just tap on it, tap on uninstall, deactivate and uninstall. Okay, and it's gone. It's not there anymore. This icon, I don't uninstall it. I just send it inside this tools. And it's, well, it can be there, can be left there, and no problem. Okay? So the very last thing I want to tell you about is how to change the language of the system. So you go into settings, search for lang. There it is, language and region. So first, change the region to where you live. I'm in Portugal. And now add the language. It's already suggested. I speak Portuguese. Change. And, well, it's already speaking in Portuguese. Ferramentas, sugestões, calendário, relógio. So, that's it. Hi again. I hope that, the method goes as smoothly in your phone as it did in mine, because if it doesn't, it can get to be a nightmare. I've seen it happen, a nightmare. So hopefully it isn't your case. Anyway, I'm off now. I guess I've said more or less everything I wanted to say. Oh yeah, please bear in mind that the method is working. I've already said this, but the method is working. If it doesn't, I'll let you know in the description of the video. Okay? I'll let you know. So just retry if it didn't. retry, okay? Until it does work. That's just it. It's just luck. Okay, and now I've said, I guess, all that I wanted to say. I hope you are doing well and that your phone, you are enjoying it with Google Mobile Services, with Gmail, Play Store, YouTube, and Maps, Google Photos, Google Docs, Google Sheets. I mean, all those great things that Google does for us. I really need them, so I'm quite happy that this method works. Again, as in the previous video, or not the previous, but the alternative video to this one, if you want to donate, please do. You'll find a link below. And if you want to ask something, please use the comments. And also, do not forget, like the video if the method worked for you. And also, please do subscribe the channel, because as you're seeing right now, whenever there's a new method, I'll be sure to post it here. So I'll be making a video about it. So yes, you should also subscribe my channel. I guess that's it. My name is Rui, and well, Godspeed to you all. Bye-bye.